first real dust bath party.
Yeah. Big party going on.
The other chickens better hurry up and take yours too, because it's going to be a mud bath very soon.
Yeah. Gonna rain pretty soon. That's just so cute. Can't even tell that one is black and white almost now.
That one's starting to know too.
Mhm. Look at that dripping you're making.
The dust bath sound.
I don't know.
A couple of them are making that.
Mhm. Wonder if it's some kind of communication or something.